Now, if there is a noise, you can mute your audio, otherwise it will be okay. Now let us start the question. Let us start from question number 17 from exercise 7b. Now convert each of the following into a decimal. You have now in this question we have to convert in decimal. So 17th question is 23 upon 10, and 23 upon 10 means 23 tenth. We have to say like this, 23 tenth. Okay, then according to this we have to put the decimal, or there is the option, this is the, and there is the option, you can check the number of zero and you put decimal according to you, whatever the easy for you, you can opt that method. But this is the uh, actual way to write the decimal fraction into decimal. So this is 23rd tenth. Now the next is question number 18 is 167 upon 100 means 167 hundredth. If it is 100, so we know that this is 1.67 because we have to make the last digit to the hundredth position. Is it be clear? Or you just count 1, 2 and then put 1, 2. You have to put the decimal like this also. Now, uh, now the question number 20. Question number 20 is 5413 upon 1000 means 5413 thousandth. Thousandth. Then we have to write, we check, and we have to make the last digit means last decimal place to the thousandth. So it will be 5.413. Now the 3 is at thousandth place. And please mute the audio if there is a noise. अभी किसी के पास से आ रहा है, किसी के पास से ऑडियो में डिस्टरबेंस है, तो दे प्लीज दैट स्टूडेंट म्यूट देयर वॉइस. So it's 5413 upon 1000, and we know that 5413 thousand. So it means that we have to place a last digit to the thousandth place. So the answer is 5 point, or you can count 1, 2, 3, and you can place the decimal according to the number of zeros from right to left. Now, uh, now move to the question number 25. Move to the question number 25. It is 5, 17 upon 50. Now 15 fives are 50 fives are 250. So 250 plus 17. So it will be 267. 267 upon 50. अब हम क्या करेंगे कि if we multiply this 50 with 2, the number will be, the fraction will be decimal fraction. So 267 times 2 is 534 upon 100. Now it will be 534 hundredth. So we can put 5.34. कोई confusion है इस question में? Is there any confusion in the question number 25? एक और देखते हैं 26. एक और देखते हैं 26. 12 3 upon 8. Or there is one more option. You can see 8 12 8 is 96 plus 3 99 upon 8. So if you don't know how to make the decimal fraction, you can simply divide it and get your answer. it will be 12.375. और if जिसको मालूम है, वैसे दैट इज द डिफिकल्ट मेथड, इफ जिसको मालूम है वो उसे ये मालूम होगा कि 8 को अगर हम 125 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं देन वी गेट 1000, तो फिर 99 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये नंबर आएगा 12375। क्लियर? नाउ rest of the part rest of the part you can do in homework. 17, 18, 20, 25 and 26 is the classwork, and rest of the part you can do in your homework. Or if you are any problem, then you can ask. The rest of the question, today's homework is rest of question between question number 17 to question number 32. Clear? Or if there is any doubt you can ask. अगर कोई डाउट है तो तुम पूछ सकते हो. Now copied. Can I rub this? ठीक है, सबने होमवर्क नोट डाउन कर लिया. So now there is a conversion in the question number 33 to 36. Now let us see the question number 33. We have to using decimal express 5 kg 640 gram in kilogram. Now we have to express 8 kg in 8 kg 640 gram in kilogram. So we write like this: 8 plus 640 upon 1000, or we have to write here 1 kg 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg, and then this, and now this is 640,000, you can cancel the 0. Now 6400, it means that 0.64, and you can write 8.64 kg. आई नीड अ वर्किंग, कोई भी डायरेक्ट करेगा तो मैं उसको काट दूंगा, मतलब उसको गलत बोल दूंगा. आई नीड अ वर्किंग, आई नीड अ वर्किंग, मुझे बार बार बोल रहा हूँ कि आई नीड अ वर्किंग in question number 33 to 36. How we convert this number in how this convert this number into kg. So, and we have to write kg here, and at the last we get 8.64 kg. Is this clear? Good. So question number 33, question number 34, question number 35, question number 36. Yes. So second part and third part you can do your own. And this is very much important to write. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. Now question number 34. In this there is more more points. So you can see first 3 point is similar and last 3 point is similar. First three parts are similar, and in question number 34, first three parts are similar and last three parts are similar. So I will solve question number third part. Question number 34, third part. So you can do first and second by your own. Now the third part is 3 kilometer 6 meter into kilometer. 3 kilometer 6 minute. Okay. Then we have to write 3. Mute their voice please. 3 plus 6 upon क्या आएगा वो हम देख लेते हैं. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So it will be 1000, and this whole is in now kilometer. So 3 plus, now this is 6000. 6000, how do we write the 6000? 0.006. 0.006. Okay, and then it will be 3.006 kg. अभी देखो मैं ये ऐड करना तुम्हारे को एक सिखा देता हूँ. समटाइम मे बी कि किसी को प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, बिकॉज दिस 3 इज अ होल नंबर. So you have to write like this 3.000, then write 0006. एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन के अंदर डेसिमल और डेसिमल को एक सीरीज में लिखना होता है, एंड इफ देयर इज अ होल नंबर वी पुट point on the right side of that number. Is that clear na? So you can add it according to this. Clear? किसी के साथ कोई देखो, दिस इज द वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम इन द डेसिमल, और इसीलिए सभी को डेसिमल से डर लगता है. इट्स ओके. तो सभी को ना ये यही रीजन है, दिस इज द रीजन कि हम डेसिमल को प्लस करने में माइनस करने में हमारे से मिस्टेक हो जाती है. सो जहाँ पे भी वर्किंग दिखाना होता है वहाँ पर हमारे से मिस्टेक होती है. सो यू हैव टू डू द वर्किंग राइट करेक्टली. So this is 3 kilometer 86 meter, and we have to convert it into kilometer. Then the kilometer is 3, the whole number, plus 6 meter, and we know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer, so it will be 6 upon 1000. Then we write 3 plus, and we convert this decimal, decimal fraction into decimal. So 6 upon 1000 means 0.006. Then you just add, और add ऐसे ही करना है. Clear? Copied? Good. So now the fourth, fifth and sixth part is the same. You can do the fourth and fifth part by your own. I can explain the sixth part. Sixth part is the same. नहीं, sixth मैं already बता चुका हूँ उसके अंदर. You have to do the sixth part. I will explain the fifth part. Now here is 35 meter in kilometer. So यहाँ तो हमारे पास कोई भी होल नंबर नहीं है, and we know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So we directly write it 35 meter is equal to 35 upon 1000 kilometer, means 30. Now the fraction, this decimal fraction is what? 3 upon 1000. So if it is 3 upon 1000, then we can make the last digit at the thousandth place. How do we make? 0.035. Now the 5 is at thousandth place, and this is the answer for this question. Clear? 35 kilometer, sorry, 35 meter in kilometer. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 35 meter is equal to 35 upon 1000. 35 upon 1000 kilometer. But when we say 35 upon 1000, is it right? But the actual or right pronunciation is 35,000. The right pronunciation for this is 35,000. So we can write like this. Make the make the last digit. This is the 5 to thousandth place. Now I think it is clear. Good. 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 Now the 35th question. In this 35th question, 1 and 2 part is same and 3 and 4th is same. So I can solve second and the last fourth part. So 35 second part is what? 8 kg and 96 gram in kilogram. So 8 plus 96 upon क्या आएगा? Let us check. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So we just write here 1000 and then whole bracket. This is in kg. Now it will be 8 plus this is 9000. So we can adjust the point according to the digits. So this is this, and now the addition is 8.000 and it's 0.096. This is 690.8. So it will be 8.096 kg. Clear everyone? So this is the work. Yes? No, no, it's okay. Addition is not required. एडिशन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस ये आप तो दिस इज देखो कुछ बच्चों को लिखना ही नहीं आता कि वो जो डेसिमल नंबर है उनको लिखेंगे कैसे, तो वो ये उनके लिए है, दैट स्टूडेंट बेसिकली. This is basically for the that student who is not able to add the decimal numbers. Clear? Now the sorry. Now the question number 35, fourth part. It will be 8 gram in kg, and we know that 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So 8 gram is equal to 8 upon 1000 kg, and now the actual right pronunciation is 8000. So which is equal to 0.008 kg. Clear? सबको सिर्फ कॉपी करना है आज तो. Copied? Okay. Now the question number 36. So now the question number 36, first two part are same and third, fourth is same. You can opt the same one, first part and the third part you can do in homework. Now the first part, second part is rupee 9 and 8 paisa. So it will be 9 plus 8 upon, अब हम चेक कर लेते हैं पहले क्या होता है. So we know that 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100. 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. So it will be 100 here. Now it will be 9 plus, it is 800. So can you can adjust your point according to this place. 8 800. So now it will be rupees 9.08. Or you can add like this 0.08, 0.9. Now the next fifth part, 5 paisa in rupee. So we know that 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. So 5 paisa is equal to 5 upon 100, which is equal to 0.05 rupees, 0.05. You can copy this also. And first and third you can do your own. Now the exercise 7B is completed and you have to finish your homework uh, according to your app. अब मैं उसमें थोड़ा ऐप मतलब उसको मेंटेन कर रहा हूँ क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क. तो यू कैन सी द होमवर्क एवरी डे बिकॉज मैथ्स है तो मैं उसमें होमवर्क रोज देता हूँ. तो यू कैन चेक द होमवर्क एवरी डे. Only I will not give the homework on Thursday. So you can do the homework according to your timetable. So now let us start the exercise 7C. 7C. Asta, can you read the question number 1? You are in Lucknow now? Good. So there is also, not now. Not really. Oh, Raebareli. Good. You are in Raebareli. Oh, there is. Huh? What do you say? Kotdwar. Okay. So basically, this is in Raebareli. No problem. It's okay. And you know what is? There is two Bareli. One is Raebareli, and second is Bansbareli. Okay. Now let us start the exercise 7C. थोड़ा पता होना चाहिए जहाँ पर जाते हैं तो घूमने का क्या मतलब है. Okay. There is two Bareli. आज पता कर लेना कितनी बरेली है वहाँ पर. So now the exercise 7C is related to the addition of the decimal. And the question number 1 is add the following decimals. So I think I will start with question number 2. Okay, I will start with question number 1, no problem. 9.6, 14.8, 37 and 5.9. See in this number is whole number 37. So we have to add it in first we write in a column and then we add. This is 14.8, this is 37.0 and this is 5.9. And we can place the 0 where required. Now you see this is 9.6. According to this is according to our the solution, we write it 0 9.6 because there is two digit number also, and 37 is the whole number, and you must check और यू मस्ट एवरी टाइम ये ध्यान रखना है कि इफ देयर इज अ होल नंबर तो डेसिमल ऑलवेज इन द राइट साइड, नॉट इन द लेफ्ट साइड. Decimal always in the right side. Decimal always, always in the right side of a whole number. Clear? Decimal always in a the decimal always in a right side of a whole number. Now we just add simple whatever जो हम अपने addition में करते हैं उसी तरीके से we just add it. Okay. Now this is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 8 is 23. 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27. Now here is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. And 67.3 is the answer. Is that clear? अभी किसी को यहाँ पर कंफ्यूजन, किसी को कोई भी कंफ्यूजन है तो प्लीज आस्क, यहीं पे पूछ के उसको क्लियर कर लो और खत्म कर लो. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15, 15 plus 8 is 23 to carry. Then 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27. And again the carryover is 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. This is the addition. This is the addition, basically how we add the decimal numbers. तो अब मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं इसमें से किसी भी क्वेश्चन को और कराऊं. तो यू कैन डू exercise 7. Sorry, this is B and this is C. Now you have to finish question number 2 to question number 8 by your own. Simple addition is there. This is a simple addition, so you can do it by your own. Clear? So now move to the question number 9. There is lot of exercise, so I want ki we can finish on time. ज़्यादा टाइम लगाएंगे तो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. So you can do more and you can do more questions in homework. Okay. Now anyone read the question number 9? Nidhi, I want you can read the question number 9. Nidhi is there? Nidhi is there? Then read the question number 9, please. Read. Mhm. Okay. Good. Now close your audio. Avinav Anand, can you tell me what we have to do in this question? Avinav, can you open your audio and tell me what we have to do in this question? क्या Avinav, are you there or not? Now we have to add because we have to find the total earning of 3 consecutive days. Total earning. So we just add this number. This is the total earning. So 0, this is 14, 1 carry, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry. So 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. Now, a rickshaw puller earns first day is equal to 32.60, second day is equal to 56.80, third day is equal to 72. So 72 is a whole number, we put a decimal after the 72, then we add this because we need to find the what is his total earning during these days. तो इसे ऐड कर दिया. Now this is the total earning, or if you want to write, so total earning of a rickshaw puller in 3 days is equal to rupees 161.40. Now it is clear to everyone. Now it is clear to everyone. Good. So this is the last question for today's class. Tomorrow we will start the question from question number 10. Now is there any doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज़ आस्क, और इफ देयर इज नो डाउट तो बता दो कि नहीं है कोई डाउट. गुड. सभी